YouTubers, or afternoon, I should say. We're having brunch cereal this morning, afternoon, whatever it is, guys. Anyways, guys, we got chicken and waffles cereal today. That's what we're gonna have. So first, I want to say hello to everyone.
And hello, good morning.
We're going to try this chicken and waffle cereals and tell you guys what we think. We had it a while, guys, and now we're getting to it. So we're gonna put it in. And my son said we're gonna go hard. It smells.
We had the we tried the bacon one, and this is the next one after the maple bacon is the chicken and waffles. So if you want to try it, you should be able to try it.
Yeah, every one of these cereals that we're doing, guys, is at Walmart, and if they don't have them, they'll order them for you. There's not a cereal that they won't order for you unless it's like one of those high marketed ones. They won't probably get those for you, but the guys over in Dearborn, Michigan, they'll order them for you. So today we have our almond milk, guys. Yeah. That's Raylan's favorite.
Almond milk.
So we're gonna try the almonds with the chicken and waffles. Don't that sound like something at the Chinese restaurant, guys? That's good, right? Thanks. So we're gonna go in with the chicken and waffles, guys. Cereal. Let's see that way.
What the
box? You always put everything so far away. Yeah. So the people, let's see what we got.
Just leave this up like this?
No, it's a distraction. Let's just do it like this. Okay, guys, we're going in. I mean, it's so powerfully strong. Okay, let's see what we got here.
It's like maple.
Yep, it's like maple. I'll put it right here. How about that? Yeah, that's good. Okay. That one. It's not bad.
This is actually good compared to the other one.
The maple bacon. Oh my God.
Way better.
Okay. It's not bad, guys.
It's actually good.
It's not a 10. But if I was hungry and I needed something to eat and wasn't nothing available, I could do it. It looks like it have a lot of everything in here. But the thing of it is, they got chicken, and it tastes like chicken. Look at the little chicken marks.
I should try it again.
Okay, guys, look. Okay. It's not that bad. I'll say a 5.
I give it a 10. I can see myself buying this in the all the time and eating it for breakfast. I can see that. Cause it's like, it's not nasty. It tastes, I don't know, it's just good.
You like it? You taste everything. You taste the waffles. You taste the chicken. But I wouldn't give it a 10. And the more you taste it, the better it tastes. I don't know if the almond milk did that. It's really tasty. You'll probably get, this will probably stay
like
out.
little waffles in there.
Yeah, it is.
We'll take a seat.
Wow.
It's a waffle.
So guys, are you gonna go buy them and try them out? Or have you already tried them? If you already tried them, let us know what you think. What would you give it on a scale from 1 to 10? It's not bad at all, guys. This is not bad at all. It's really chicken and waffles and something else. Yeah. Or maybe the almond milk enhanced the flavor more. It's really good. making too much noise with my bowl. I'm sorry. All right, guys.
Yeah, this
How
is
many
really
minutes we
good.
got left for here?
About 5 minutes.
Okay. If you guys want to try the chicken and waffles, I know they're not hard to find at Walmart and Kroger's. Kroger's has a lot of the new cereals, and Walmart does too. But I've been really successful at Walmart. They have like a whole 2 aisles, back and front, full of cereals, brand new ones, new additions, everything. So, if you guys like this video, right, tell them what to do.
Give us a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe, and come on in and join the family.
All right, guys. Like I say, come on in. And when you come in, you go hard. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.